How to redeem Papa John's gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem Papa John's gift card online. For this, open up any web browser and head over to papajohns.com. Once you're on this web page, you want to first of all sign into your account. After you have been signed in, you want to place your order. For that, find your favorite pizza and click on the add to order option, or you can also click on the customize option. Once you have added your order, you want to click on the cart icon. Now over here, you want to check your order and click on the checkout option. Now on the next page, scroll down and get to the payment section, then click on the gift card option. Now you want to enter the Papa card number, then enter your PIN number. Once you do that, you want to click on the review order option. After that, you can simply place your order and the gift card will be redeemed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.